Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight I want to show you a very easy way to upgrade the audio system in your car in case it's not Bluetooth compatible. The connectivity is really good, the sound is really good, and most importantly, you get to keep the stock layout of your car, and you also pick up an auxiliary input, all made possible by this fancy little black box by Yomikoo. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome Bluetooth kit from Yomikoo and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this item. Before beginning, guys, it's super important that you purchase the right Bluetooth kit. Even within the same company and the same model, there can be slight differences in how it connects to the rear of your head unit and how it operates. So make sure you buy the right one. So this is how this works. This basically is a Bluetooth receiver. There is no on and off switch. There is no battery. You have to plug this cable in to the back of your head unit. That'll give it power and connectivity. Got the cable connected, nice and tight. Make sure you screw those all the way down. This side here will go to the rear of my head unit where my CD changer is at. So when I jump in, when I want to turn it on, I'm going to press the CD button. It's going to turn this on. Bluetooth will be enabled, and I also will pick up an auxiliary input. So basically I can connect any mobile device or tablet. The GPS is going to look so awesome on a bigger screen. Here is where the auxiliary cable is going to connect. It says aux right there. Plug it in. Then on this side, if you want to use the included USB dongle, you can load up some songs, plug it in and play it from there, but I'm not going to be using that. Mostly this guy here and the Bluetooth connectivity. Then on the other side is where you're going to plug in the included corded microphone. Just plugs in right here. Then on the other side, you got your LED that's going to turn blue to let you know you've got power. Let's install this guy. Alright guys, here we go. Sitting in my 2005 Toyota Sequoia, there is the magic black box. The wire is attached to the back of my head unit where the CD changer is at. Going to turn the key on to the first position. And I've already paired this, so that's lit up there. Okay, see that blue light? That little tone means that I'm connected to my phone, which is right down here. And I'm just going to hit play.
Neon lights are calling me, sleepless nights away.
Snazzy.
Like a magnet pulling me through the desert, I can't wait.
There you go, guys. It's that easy. All I got to do now is put everything back together and tuck the wires away. Once again, guys, this Bluetooth kit is by Yomikoo. It is really easy to install. The connectivity is constant, the sound is great, and it works with your pre-existing stereo. If you're looking for a great way to update your old audio system in your car, make it Bluetooth compatible, this could be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome Bluetooth kit from Yomikoo, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.